I don't care what you call it. If it slaps, I'm all in. Let the bass talk, baby. I'm not into rap unless it's got swing. Country don't move me unless it can sing. Rock's alright, but it better have bounce. I need that groove I can feel in the ground. I don't judge by the label, I just dance when it's able. Let it pop, let it strut, turn it up, shake the dust. I'm not into rap, not in the twang, not in the screaming, unless the bass bangs. Good is just good, that's what it's about. So if it grooves, then play it loud. Oh yeah, play it loud now. Play it loud now. Got no time for your genre walls. If it thumps, I'm on that call. Ain't picky, just funky. Give me that sweet, sticky bassline junkie. Drop the beat, let it roll. Let that snare take control. If it hits in the soul, then baby, that's no. Into rap, not into country, no, not in no rock. It's got a beat that bumps me. Good is just good, say it now. Toes turn it up, toe play it loud, louder now. Toe let it funk it out. Give me horns, give me claps, give me wah on that guitar strap. Don't care what they call the track. If it slaps, I'm running it back. Not into rap unless it grooves. Not into country unless it moves. Good is just good. What we talking about? Play it loud. Just play it loud. I say, good is good, yeah. Yeah, play it loud. John, nah. Feel it in your hips. That's the only rule. Play it loud, baby. Now that's the truth.
Your job ain't my problem, nah. Your mood ain't my weight to carry. Dump your negativity, embrace positivity. Turn up that beat and do it gladly. Your job ain't my problem. Say what? Your attitude ain't my responsibility. Stop complaining, go upgrade your life. We vibing with joy, not hostility.
Do you ever have a good day at work? Or just clocking with a frown and a smirk? Talking about your boss like it's doomsday, but you've been on break since 10:08. I ain't got time for the drag and moan. I'm trying to build stacks and flip that tone. You sitting stuck, I'm shifting gears. Talking about change, then steer, my dear. Your job ain't my problem. Nope.
Your stress ain't my vibe today. Dump your negativity, embrace positivity. We dancing through bills like it's Saturday. Your job ain't my problem. Your drama don't pay me a dime.
Stop complaining, go upgrade your life. Get joy on beat, now you're on time.
Stop the scrolling, start the growing. Your mindset's where the life starts flowing. You want freedom, then move like it. Ain't no change till you groove like it.
The raise, why get the load? Same talk, different week, same road. You got time to vent, but not to plan. You rather post memes than take a stand. Nah, I ain't got time for the downbeat blues. I'm punching in with my purpose and shoes. Say a prayer, play the jam. Lift your face, this life ain't Netflix, it don't wait.
Your job ain't my problem. Woo! Your misery won't mess with my peace.
No, sir.
Negativity, embrace positivity. Turn that soul up, feel the release. Your job ain't my problem. One more time. Your excuses ain't part of my grind. Stop complaining, go upgrade your life. Cause joy and progress love to align. Your job, your vibe, not mine. I'm divine. Truth signal beats, baby. Clock in with some joy. Let's go.